Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your Peacock account. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, type in peacocktv.com and press enter. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you can click on the Pick a Plan button and then click on the Get Started button at the top right corner. In order to log in, just click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and you will be taken to the Sign In page. Now, first of all, you will have to enter your email address. So go ahead and enter your email address and then click on the Continue button. Once you do this, you will be asked to enter your password. Then just type your password and click on the Sign In button and you will be signed in to your Peacock TV account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Peacock TV website. If you find this video helpful, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.